folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to do a comparison for you guys between domestic and import cook stoves. I get this question a lot, what is better? Obviously, most Americans want to purchase an American-made product. The problem with that is, honestly, there are very limited American-made products in the United States, which is just the sad truth. As far as cook stoves go, basically the only USA-produced cook stoves are going to be the Amish cook stoves. So that's going to be, for us, we represent Hiko cook stoves and Pioneer cook stoves. And beyond them, there aren't really US produced wood cook stoves. So we do have a lot of imports. I'm looking around my showroom right now and I happen to have a lot of different products from all over the world. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to show you around. Next closest for domestic are going to be our Great North friends in Canada. Right here, we actually have the Canadian J.A. Roby cook stove featured right here. And then over here, if you can see this in the shot, is the Elmira cook stove, which is also produced in Canada. So those are going to be basically the two Canadian cook stoves. There is also Supper Time cook stoves, which is a branch of Pioneer cook stoves that is also produced up in Canada. So those are basically going to be the players for North America. The people who want the Amish cook stoves, typically there's a reason. It's because probably they're looking for a very large appliance, or they're looking for something off-grid like domestic hot water systems or water reservoirs, or maybe multi-fuel options to burn coal. Typically those are kind of the clientele that are gonna go with those Amish-built stoves or American-made stoves. We also have a lot of imports. Now, imports is definitely going to give us a variety of products from all over the world. And actually, cook stoves are just becoming popular in America. But in other countries all over the world, all over Europe, most people actually do have a cook stove in their home. So it's exciting for me to be able to travel all around the world and show you guys just kind of what kind of products are available out there, and to bring them to the United States so you guys can have an opportunity to have them as well. I do have some imports featured next to me here. This is going to be the Rizzoli ML80 stacked model. This is from Italy. Right here I do have the MBS Magnum. That is going to be from Serbia. And if you can see to this side in my shot, I do have the Firebelly Raisin. I really hope that you guys found this comparison on import cook stoves versus domestic cook stoves helpful. If you guys do like my content, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.